clubbing tonight, and this is my outfit. So I'm having a really bad hair day. So I'm gonna curl my hair for the very first time. I have never tried this, and I don't even know how curly hair will look on me. But we're gonna take a chance and let's see how it looks. I think I should have watched a YouTube tutorial or something. इतना काम मैं कर लेती तो बात ही क्या थी. Should have asked for help, but मुझे तो strong independent woman बनना होता है हर समय, तो मैं खुद ही करूँगी. Okay, थोड़ा सा यहाँ से खराब हो रहा है. I have this feeling that it's not going to look good and I'm going to end up straightening my hair again. Let's trust the process. It's not looking bad. I think if it's going to look bad, I'm just gonna tie a rough bun. Let's try on the other side. I obviously do not know how to do this. Look, pretty weird looking girl. Let's try to untangle it and see how it looks. I don't think this is going to work. It looks horrible. Try to style it some way. I don't see it. I tried partitioning it to the right, which I never do, and it somehow looks pretty nice. So I'm just going to finish this up. I think I should have trusted the process. As you can see, I can't do it because I have zero organization skills. It's kind of time consuming. Girly on girl duty. Disaster हो रहा है, ऐसा लग रहा है. So this is how it looks. It was nay before, but I think it was yay.